Guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's very nice to have you guys back on my channel. So in today's tutorial, like the video description said, I'll be showing you guys, or I'll be giving you guys 1000 plus free stock images, backgrounds, 3D resources, PSD files or PSD templates, mockups, and pro fonts for free. All right. So before we go straight to how you can get these files and how you can extract them, because let me give you guys some heads up. Most of the files are locked, not all are locked. So I'm going to take my time to explain to you guys what all these stock photos and the rest means, because I believe most or majority of us have been hearing about all this, but they don't know the exact meaning of what this stuff is. All right. So before we start, if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe and share, like the video. So I release videos on graphic design tips and tricks using your smartphones, and also other stuff related to graphic design. So if you want to be the first to receive my videos, so the first one is stock images. What are stock images? Stock images are pictures or photo that we use in our design projects. So they are like already made pictures that you can use, that you can add to your work. These pictures, some of them are free and some of them are paid. So, but in this video, I will be showing you guys, or I'll be giving you guys 1000 plus of the free ones. All right. And so the next one I'm going to talk about is backgrounds. Backgrounds, like it is, are pictures or colors that go behind our main designs, just like you are seeing right here. So they set the skin or mood. They set the scene or mood for your design project, and it makes your design look astounding. So the next one should be 3D resources. So 3D resources, these are, like the name stands, 3D object or shape that you can use in your designs to make things look three-dimensional or realistic, right? So those are their simple definitions. And then the next one here is PSD templates. So PSD stands for Photoshop documents. So these are pre-made designs in a format that is easily to edit. All right. So PSDs are what we use in Photoshop or in Photopea. So they are already made templates that we can easily edit and then fix one or two from there, and then we'll get our designs ready. All right. So the next one here should be mockups. So mockups are like sample display of how your designs will look like in the real world. For example, a mockup can show you how your logo design that you made using your phone or using Pixel Lab can look on a t-shirt, or if it is a 3D logo design, it can show you how it will look when it is being printed on the place you want it to be printed on, or on a billboard. So the next one, but not the last one, but not the least, are fonts. So fonts are the styles or letters and characters you use in your designs. They can be fancy, simple, unique, and also choosing the right font for your design is very, very important. And overall look of your design. So the overall look of your design is being determined by your fonts. And in this video, I have pro fonts and unique fonts for you. So if you know how to use, or if you use unique and cool fonts on your designs, it makes your design look outstanding. All right, so that is that for the definition. So I just want to make this video very quick and very simple, so you can further make your researches on all this definition. So the next step now will be to show you guys how to extract some of the files that are locked. Right, so some of them you can just go to the description and click on them, and then it will lead you straight to those files. But for the sake of the ones that are locked, you can just hold and watch this video, and I will show you how to extract them. So guys, like I said earlier, some of the fonts or some of the stock images or some of the resources are locked and some are free. So the one that is locked in this video is just the fonts. So other resources are free. So you can just go straight to the description and click on the links, and to link you directly to the files. But if you want to get the fonts, you need to hold and watch this video as I lead you through the step-by-step procedures on how you can get the fonts. All right. So the necessary application for you to download to extract these fonts is Zarchiver. So you can just head straight to your Play Store or to Google, and then you type Zarchiver, and then you download the application. All right. So once you've downloaded the application, you just need to go straight to this video description, and you will see a link under fonts. So once you see the link, you click on the link and you will download it. So once you've downloaded it, you will see this exact template right here, 1000 plus fonts, JS graphics. All right. So if you've downloaded it, if you've downloaded the Zarchiver already before downloading the fonts, and once you've downloaded the fonts, it will prompt you immediately to use Zarchiver to extract them. All right. So you just click on yes, use Zarchiver to extract them, and then you will need to follow this process. But since I already have this font downloaded on my phone, I'm just going to click on it, and then I'll click here, and then I'll open with Zarchiver. But once you are downloading straight from my YouTube channel and you already have Zarchiver installed, Zarchiver is looking for this kind of files to open them. So it will prompt you to use Zarchiver to open. So I'm just going to click open with. So guys, once you click on open with, you'll be prompted to use Zarchiver. This same procedure happens when you've downloaded this thing straight from my channel, and you already have Zarchiver installed on your phone. So this is the spelling of the Zarchiver, and this is the logo. So you click on it, and then you choose Zarchiver below, and then it will open Zarchiver. If you have clicked the first one, it won't have opened the Zarchiver. So you click the second one, which has Zarchiver, and then the next thing you have to do now is to click on this check icon here. This is to select the files. So you're just going to click on the check again, and then you click on select all. This means that you want to extract all the files here. So you click on it, and then you click on this check green button below. Once you click on this, as you can see, extract, this upward download button here, this upload button here is more like you extracting the files to your phone. So you click on the stuff, and then I would advise you to use a new folder. So you can just click on this plus icon, and then click on new folder, and you can leave it as this. Or because I already have this, I'll just add one here, and then I'll click OK. So from here you can then click on this arrow down for it to extract your phone. So like I said, this file is locked, so you'll be prompted to input the password, and this is the password. So once you have typed in, or once you've done this, your fonts will be extracted. Very simple and very easy. So guys, if this video really helped you, and if you found it helpful, subscribe, like the video, and share the video to your friends. And see you all next in my next tutorial. And in case you have any question regarding this process, or if you don't understand anything, you can drop your question below the comment section, and